Hi guys!
Hello everyone.
Yes, welcome back to another episode of my TikTok channel. So today we are going to
Make
coffee.
coffee.
Okay, and you are going to make the Vietnamese milk,
Yes.
milk coffee, and I'm going to make Italian coffee one. Okay, and let's get started. Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Okay, what do you want?
I want a coffee powder.
Okay, so coffee powder. Can you take one a package of powder?
Okay.
Okay, and I need the coffee beans. And we pour it.
Stana.
Okay. We have a scissor right there. Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
We pour a little bit like some coffee bean. Oh my god! Okay.
Going to put in the coffee powder in your glass.
Yes, okay. Get it in?
Yes.
This one. And another thing. I need to close this one. Press stop button.
And step 2, we're going to I need hot water.
Oh, you need some hot water. Can I support you? Okay.
Ngoài đấy giờ em sẽ công tắc nó nổ.
Oops. Tell me until it's enough, okay?
Okay.
Oops. Wow. Is this okay?
Okay.
One more, okay.
Thank you.
Ooh, okay, here you are.
I need a coffee mouth. Coffee mouth.
The spoon.
A spoon.
Okay, the coffee now. What is that? Okay, I just put the coffee beans into the grinder. So let's start it. Oops. Can you smell it? Oh my god.
Yes.
Yo, so smelly.
It's really
That's
good.
good. Okay. You need to put a little bit.
Oh, I need
What do you want?
another spoon.
Spoon? I remember I just put a spoon right there. What do you want to try to
Sugar.
take some sugar, right?
I really like drink coffee in the morning because I feel I get some energy and it's really good for the morning.
Okay, I'm back. Spoon for you.
Okay,
Okay, here
thank
we
you.
go.
We're going to put in some sugar to your glass.
Uh-huh. It's kind of almost kind of hard. I want to take it out. Oh my god, it's too hot. Okay.
Okay, and we're going to
One.
mix the coffee.
For a little bit. Oops. Okay.
This is Italian coffee.
Yeah, Italian coffee like cappuccino. But sometimes that I want to drink espresso. Espresso is kind of the Italian coffee, but it just it mix the hot water right there to extract the coffee with a little bit foam on the surface of the coffee. And then if you want to try cappuccino, and we have a little bit milk, I mean fresh milk, cold fresh milk, and then we try to use a steamer right there, and we kind of boil it and twist it into when it turns into a kind of foam, and we try to pour on the surface of the coffee, and it's going to be the cappuccino.
Okay. Wait a minute. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay.
Smells so good.
Okay. In step 4, going to put in some ice to my glasses.
Yes. I just finished my cup of coffee.
Oh, a cup of coffee.
Smells so good. Smells so good. Oops. Really good.
In Vietnamese, we need some ice.
You want to add more sugar? It's sweet enough.
Yeah,
It's sweet enough.
sweet enough.
Too good. Because it's been a long time that I have been drinking like kind of cappuccino. The cappuccino is the kind of thing that I like it, but not too bitter. I want something to sweeter, more sweeter. Can you try it again?
Try it.
Okay, cheers. Cheers. Very good. Okay, how about the coffee? Are you going to make a coffee every single day? Is mean, do you make a cup of coffee every day?
Yes, I really like to drink coffee every day.
Why? Why do you like drinking coffee?
Because when I drink coffee, I feel I'm very strong.
You're very strong. You know the reason why that when a lot of people they drink the cup of coffee and they feel the energy in the coffee.
Yes,
Yeah, why?
why? Because is a cup of coffee is have caffeine.
Caffeine, right?
Caffeine.
Caffeine. Okay, it means like the coffee contains caffeine, and the caffeine is the chemicals that make the people to be feeling more energy. I mean more energetic, right?
Yes.
Okay, and sometimes like I want to talk about the benefits and how can I say the side effects
Yes.
of drinking coffee. Do you know that? Tell me a little bit.
Okay, there's a benefit when you drink coffee, you feel very strong,
Yes.
and you feel very strong because you get some energies.
Yes.
And talk about the bad, when you
The side effect.
the side effects when you drink a cup of coffee
Yes.
so much, and you can your heartbeat fast,
Your heartbeat increased.
heartbeat increase.
Yes, significantly.
Your heartbeat increase, and you cannot sleep.
Okay. The side effects, right? You think that is it good for you to drink a cup of coffee every single day?
What?
Do you think about it? Is it good for you to drink a cup of coffee every day?
What?
If you have an opportunity, do you want to drink a cup of coffee every day? You like it?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, you like it to drink.
Yes.
This means, do you usually drink a cup of coffee every day?
Many times I drink jadu. Many times I drink
Coffee. And how about the tea?
the tea.
Because the cheese offers many benefits too, as well as it offers, some side effects if you use it, like overuse it.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you drink tea, the benefits is it feels very strong.
Very strong.
I don't very smart.
Smart. So it means like it makes you to be awake until the night that when you are going to sleep and you take a sip of tea and you cannot sleep, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it make you to be awake.
Okay.
Yes, awake. You cannot sleep, right? Sometimes you have sleeplessness too. Okay, and I know that tea contains the tannin, and the tannins are the chemicals that make the people to keep their adolescent years. It means like you may be more younger than the other person.
Yes.
You know the teasm.
Teasm.
Teasm is the way that the Japanese people they drink tea. So many steps they drink tea. In Vietnam, we just boil water and then we put in the teapot and then the tea leaves into the teapot and then we drink it. But in Japan, a lot of people it's really complicated. You know, like they want to drink tea, they have exactly the type of teapot, exactly the type of the tea leaves, exactly the something like that, and they sit down on the Japanese table and they have a little bit like kind of ritual. Ritual is mean the way that they make tea really complicated one. Like they try to boil boil water onto the teapot to clean the teapot first, and then they clean the tea leaves.
Tea leaves?
Yeah, they put the tea leaf inside the teapot, and then they pour boiling water, and then they try to throw it away. Yes, and they try to use the second time. It's mean like the second weight of the water.
Okay.
Yes, okay. It's really complicated, right? It's called teasm. Teasm. You like teasm?
No.
No, I don't like it. When you drink tea, we just put the boiling water inside it and we drink it, right?
Yes.
Okay, pretty good. And anything else about the tea? The side effects of the tea? Want to talk?
Side effect of
Yes.
the tea, when you drink tea, you cannot sleep.
Yes.
And I don't know, most people can vomit when they drink
Wow,
tea.
really? They're going to vomit.
My cousin feels vomit when he's
why?
going to drink tea.
Why?
I don't know.
How about you?
I think it's really good.
It's really good one, right?
Yes.
Yes, really good one. The tea, I drink tea every single day, but sometimes I feel my blood pressure is going to be increasing.
Increasing.
Yes, okay,
Oh.
because I went to the Japan General Hospital and then I took some checkup and then my doctor diagnosed I was diagnosed with higher blood pressure. And I took some medicine to control the blood pressure. Yes, it's because I overuse tea. Sometimes I overuse coffee too. Oh my god. Okay. And thank you for listening to our making coffee tutorial. And I'm BG. I'm host of the show and
I am Giang Fa.
okay, this is my colleague, okay, my co-host, okay, and thank you for watching our conversation as our show, and that's how we need to say goodbye. See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah, you
you.
need to drink it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it sweeter?
No.
No.
It's
Better. Bitter.
bitter.
Bitter. Oh my god, too bitter. Wow, amazing. Okay.